chart that what we know about addition and subtraction, because that's what we've been going over. So I'm going to do, yeah, I think I might just do it and then do it on the, because I have some. Well, I'll do it. So I'm going to actually change my plants. Can I have everyone come sit at their rows in their assigned spots? And we'll do this together right over here. Assigned spots and then turn this way. Okay, so I'm going to do a T chart. I'll do 3. Whoa, can I have back row scoot back? Where you should be, and then the next row scoot back. Nope, not you. Nope, just that row. Okay, then we should have enough room. All right, everyone should be crisscrossed so we have enough room on the carpet. So, I'm going to draw a big T for my T chart. All right, we're going to do one column as addition and one as subtraction. Just start thinking about things that you know if you have something to do with them. Things you know about addition or subtraction. I'll write them up here. What do we know? It can be anything you know about them. Trinity. We teach them? Yes, that's good. But I kind of want something that we know specifically. So something about subtraction so I can write it in here, stuff that we know. Because I want to put this up on the board so while you're working and you're a little bit confused when you see a sign, we can look up here and do a sign. So let's start. Who knows the sign? Keep the other stuff in your mind. Who knows the sign for subtraction? Fun, I know. All right. Oren. It's like a straight line. So everyone do this. We've done this before. And remember, we do a slash because it's takeaway. So everyone do a slash. Yeah. Everyone say subtraction. Subtraction. Okay. So I'm going to do a straight line. Okay. That's what Oren said. So that's our sign. What's our sign for addition? I love a thumb. Craig. So is it like this and then what? Well, for addition, what's the one that it looks, what does it look like? Well, this is for subtraction. So addition, what's the little symbol that you see in between numbers? You can show me. Yep. All right, everyone else, you should have a thumb. I don't want you to show it, okay? We'll show it when we call, because if someone's still thinking, I don't want you to distract them. Okay, so what one is it? Craig, can you show me again? Okay, and what do we call it? We call it a plus sign. So I want everyone just, you can either do it with your arms or you can do it with your hands. It's like a straight line, but we add another line like this. So everyone needs to do it. Okay, and we call this the addition plus sign. Everyone say plus sign. Plus sign. Because it's plus because we're adding. So I'll draw this right there. There we go. So if you're working, I would like, and you're going, oh no, I don't know which sign that is. You can look up here because I'm going to put this right up in the corner and you'll go, oh yeah, this is addition. So we're going to do some more stuff that will help you. So what else do we know about subtraction? What's some words or some pictures. You can tell me an equation, anything. Keith. Okay, so he says 5 take away 5 equals 0. Should we put that as an example on this side?
Yes.
Thumbs if you think that's a good idea.
Yes.
You need to join us, okay? All right. So he said 5 take away 5 equals 0. Do we all agree that this is 0? 5 take away 5?
Yes.
Yeah, because so if I have 5 and I take away 5, I have nothing left over. Okay, so this will be an example for you up here. I also am hearing a couple words that I think that we could add here on this sign that we could put up. What's some words that remind us of subtraction? Sincere.
10 equaling 5 is 5.
That's a good one. I think I'm just going to have one example though because I want to add some other stuff, but that's a good one. Thank you. Kylie.
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. Is that on the subtraction or addition side?
Addition.
All right. How did you know that?
Because it has a plus.
Yeah. And we're adding them together, right? So we know that's addition. Can I also maybe circle this? This says add in addition. So I know that I'm adding. All right. Good. Now I want you to think of words that we've maybe talked about or done that I could put in here to remind me. I remember there's one for this. We can write what this is called. Dallas.
A plus sign.
Okay, we have a plus sign, so could we write plus right here? Good. So we'll write plus. Plus is spelled P-L-U-S. Plus.
Easy to sign.
Yeah, it is easy to sign that.
Yeah.
All right, I want some other people, Destiny, I want some other people to participate. So if you haven't answered, I'd like you to start thinking of some words that maybe you know. Prescott. What's some words that maybe give you hints that it's subtraction or addition? Or that we can do? Here's a hint. Yeah, but what do we do when we're subtracting? This is the symbol. I'll let you think for a little bit, okay? And I'll come back to you, but you need to join us in this conversation. Mimi. A minus, yeah, so could I write minus? What is also something that we're doing when we're minusing? What did we also use? What is
Take away.
Destiny?
Take away.
Take away. All right, so I'll write minus. Minus. Or I'll write take away. Take. Oh, there's a silent E. Away. That's one that we like to use a lot because it kind of makes sense in our brains to us that we're taking something away.
It's easy for it to spell minus because just somehow in my brain's like us.
Yep. I see two things here. I see us. Is this also another word?
That's us.
Yeah, like us.
Also,
Look at us.
Us.
All right. Do we have any more things that we can add that will help you? Keith. All right. Take away. We've got that up there. Good. Dallas. Oh.
Excuse me. If you take away these guys, it's it.
Close.
It is.
In. Yep, I see another word in minus, but I want to add some more math stuff. So come back to math and think, what else do I know or something that can help me when I'm confused if it's subtraction subtraction or addition. It can be a picture that you'd like Miss Gregory to draw. Or it could be a word like take away. We have some over here too. Kylie.
Maybe 0, 1 equals 0.
Right. Okay, so I'm going to leave that. We're going to have 2 examples up here. So that's great. But I'm just going to write 2 so we don't have tons of just problems for you guys, okay? I just want kind of words and pictures and stuff that will remind you. Fresco.
Use a plus sign.
Right, I could use a plus sign, so that's what I wrote up here. Any other ideas? Trini. Okay, Trini. That's all right. We'll see you in a little bit. Yoo-hoo. All of your eyes should be over here. Okay, I think this is a pretty good list. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to put it up there. All right, so when you're doing some stuff, what are we going to do if you're kind of confused and you're not sure which sign it is?
Look at that.
We're going to look up here. All right, and then you'll go, oh yeah, this one's over here, and I remember that this one's adding and with plus. All right, so let's go back to our desk. I have some fun little activity for us to do with subtraction. So your eyes are up here. This one is called, I thought, since it is so snowy outside, we could do something that's kind of with the snow. So this is called the Snowman slide. You will play it with a partner. This says start, right down here. It says start. So I'm going to write that word on the board. So what do you think the other word I'm going to have if I come to the end? What other word could be at the end? Close.
Finish.
Finish, yeah. And stop means the same thing, so good guess. So I'm going to write start. So what does this mean? Is this where I end up or is this where I begin?
Begin.
I begin. Start. All right, so we begin. And then finish, I'll write down here and I'll draw an arrow so it goes. We end up here. Finish. So, with your partner, I know that we haven't done a lot of subtraction under, like, over 10. We're going to do 20 and under. So it says 20 and then it goes kind of opposite. Goes all the way up to 1. And see that how it says finish? So you're going to end up here. You're going to start at 20 and you're going to roll a dice. So, I'll start. We'll do an example together and then we'll do, yes?
If you take away F8 and F does N.
Yeah. You guys are recognizing all these words in our words. All right, so I'm going to roll this dice. Riley will tell me what comes up. So with your partner, one of you will roll the dice at a time. What did I get?
2.
Okay, so I'm at 20. I'm going to take away 2. This is kind of like your number line, okay? So I need everybody's eyes. Okay. So I will start at 20 and I'll go up, but I'm going backwards up by the numbers, right? So I'll go back 1, 2. Okay, so I don't think everyone can see this. I'll put this on here. So I'm taking away 2 from 20. So go point to 20 on your number line. And you said taking away, right? So we must be going left, backwards. So go back 2. Go 1, 2. We're going backwards, so we're not be going left. So left is this way. Alright. Who thinks they know what number I will land on? Who knows what number I will land on? If I'm at 20 and I'm going backwards 2, what number do I land on? Valerie? 18, she says. Do we agree? Thumbs. If we're on 20 and I went back 2, because I rolled the dice 2, I ended up on 20. Then your partner will go. Mariah, will you roll the dice again? So this will be Miss G, and this will be Mariah. What's the number?
4.
Okay, whoa, Mariah gets to go back forward. So we'll go 20. Let's do this one together. So your eyes are up here. Your eyes are up here. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did I land on?
16.
I need a thumb. Mimi. Yeah, 16, because I did 20, take away 4 equals 16. Is 16 less? Is it below 20 on the number line?
Yeah.
Look on your number line. Is 16 below 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you subtracted 4, so you're taking away. So should I have more? Because I'm going to rephrase that. So did I start with the biggest number on that equation?
Yes.
Am I starting with the biggest number and then taking away the dice number? Yes, because remember we started, that's something we can add to our board. Where do we start with the biggest number when we're subtracting? The biggest number, is it at the front or the end if I'm subtracting?
At the end.
It is at the front. The biggest number is at the front. Where is it if I'm adding though?
In the back.
Yeah, it's at the end. And you guys know that. We've been working on that, so but I'll just add it up here as kind of a reminder for you. Do we have any questions about this game?
No.
Oh, just do a thumb, because maybe someone has one. I just want a thumb if you have one. If I always have a question, I'm a little bit confused. That's okay. You want to clear it up. So by the time you want to see who gets to the finish line. So it looks kind of funny because we're going up, but we're going backwards on the line. So I will pass these out. I will walk around and be checking. We have kind of an odd number. Keith, could you come over here and play with Kimry? And then so, okay. Put both your names on the paper, your name and your number. You're going to play with Mrs. Mellis. So, one of you will need to get the dice out of your math box.
At the end of the day, do we get it back?
Get what back?
This.
Yep. I do not want you to play. Oh, can I have everyone freeze for a minute? So pencils down. Voices off. 3, 2, 1. You should be frozen. Your eyes are here. Okay. I do not want you to mark the paper because I'd like you to redo so we can reuse these. So you, once you're finished a game and someone gets to the finish line, I want you to start over. So we will take a chip out of the person who's grabbing their dice. So we'll grab 2 counter chips and use them as place marks. Oh, you're going already. got to 16, she's going to be here. And then I'll go again and I'll move mine up to the number that I end up on, and then she'll go and she'll move her number. Thumbs. If you have a question, do a thumbs down if we don't get it. We get it?